Introducing TallyPrime 3.0, the new avatar of simplicity. The latest version comes power-packed with enhancements in voucher numbering, such as the ability to auto-retain the voucher numbering system during insertion or deletion. The new update also lets you recognize the previous automatic voucher numbering system and migrate data to the new auto-retaining numbering system. You can now maintain multiple voucher numbering series without the need to create multiple voucher types. This lets you maintain the unique numbering for each voucher type. Viewing and resolving data exceptions has now become simpler, making your migration and repair experience easier. Discover a faster, powerful, and simpler way of analyzing business data through the latest filter for reports on TallyPrime 3.0. Now apply different modes of filters. Learn details of what filter is applied and access an exhaustive range of fields that cater to your diverse needs. The go-to feature for reports on TallyPrime 3.0 makes navigation and multitasking an easy task. Enjoy a powerful and adaptable reporting experience with TallyPrime 3.0. Make business management easy and accelerate your growth by upgrading to TallyPrime 3.0, the new avatar of simplicity.